This is going to be a quick tutorial showing you how to use Google Classroom. So the first thing you're going to need is the Chrome browser. If you don't have it, go ahead and get it, and then you're going to log in to your child's school district account using their student number at ecsd.me, and that'll prompt you through everything to get you logged into your child's school district account. So once you have all that together, your screen should kind of look like this one. And to the right of the address bar, you're going to see a picture of a little chalkboard. So you're going to want to click Open Classroom. Don't click this part. Click Open Classroom. Then you're going to find My Class. And the first thing you're going to see is my stream. And on my stream, I'm just going to maybe put videos, questions, things like that. And it's just kind of be a way for us to communicate and interact and share things. Over here is where the bulk of work is going to be coming from. This is a classwork section. So the very first thing here is that core It's Learning that you guys keep hearing about. That's going to be the platform that all of the computer programs the district offers are going to be housed at. So that's what you're going to click every single day when you get on to your Google Classroom. This is a little cheat sheet I made just kind of showing what your core dashboard will look like and the buttons that we use. So here's iReady. You kids should be very, very familiar with that one. We have Connect Ed. We have the math site. It's got a little peacock on it. We have MyOn, which is new and pretty cool. And then we actually don't need to use this site anymore because they can take AR tests with MyOn, which is cool. And then you have Social Studies. So let me go back. And here is kind of our daily to-do lists. The first thing that, of course, your child should be working on is reading. So if you click each little thing I've typed in here, it expands and gives you a little bit more detail of what you need to do and where you need to do it. So in reading, you're going to have 20 minutes of iReady and try to do about a half hour of reading. And there's a reading log that goes along with this. And this is something that when your child has read a book, they just need to fill it in, letting me know what they read so I can kind of keep track of what they're doing with reading and whether or not they took an AR test. Okay. And the last thing in reading is kind of what I would consider to be supplemental. So after they've done their 2 must-dos, they can either work on their workbook or do Connect Ed games or something along those lines that's educational and has to do with reading. Here is the workbook answer guide. So if you click that, it's a PDF, and you can just find the page number that you worked on with your child if you need to double check anything. Most of it, though, should be pretty easy to understand, but that's there if you need it. All right, in math, we have must-dos. Again, we have iReady. Each time you click, you're going to get details, and we have Envision Math, and that was the picture I showed you earlier from the core with the little peacock that gets you to math, and they'll have math assignments pretty much every day. And then, of course, they have supplemental math options as well. If you find something else that you really think is cool that your kid likes to do, just let me know that they're doing that. Science is, we don't really have anything from the core that provides science to students at this age, so it will kind of probably be something I stream. And then social studies, they're going to use that Studies Weekly, and they only have to read one issue a week and take a quiz on that issue. So that is what the day will look like. We're thinking about an hour and a half of must-do work with about another hour of supplemental work, or more or less, depending on what works for your family.